Hey guys, today we will be breaking open a fidget cube. Today we will be breaking open a fidget cube, and James right there, he will be helping, and Aiden, he's
that's
filming.
my YouTube channel.
He's filming for him. He's on his own YouTube channel, and I'm on my own. But here, let's get right to it. I'll show you the hammer and everything we're using to break open the fidget cube. Sorry if this footage is horrible. Here you go.
Yep,
that's what we're using. Oh, we're not using that.
Yeah. Just something we'll play
Aiden,
with.
come here. Can you point it at me for what I'm doing?
No, this was put in the sewage.
Kind of.
That's the fidget cube. Oh, I'm gonna sit down here.
Hold on. Yeah.
Did you press a button?
No.
Let me see it.
Here, let me do it, Trent.
Yeah.
Let me do it.
Alright. So, one piece down. Like 20 to go.
No, let me try. Let us try.
Another piece down.
Let us try. Here, Trenton. Can we try, Trenton? Can we try?
Okay. Yeah, you guys can try.
Okay.
The fidget cube went flying over here.
Here, who's gonna hold this next?
No. Can I try next, or?
Looks like this stuff's in there. I believe, on the fidget cube, this, where you, spin the, ball, or whatever, which would be right here. Right here. You, like, spin the ball or whatever.
Like that, Trenton, because the light.
And there's, these. Stop, James.
Oh my god, I fell. Oh my god. I fell in that pot.
And then there's these that go in there. These nuts.
Oh my god.
There's these that go in there, that you spin. And everybody thinks the fidget cube, the buttons that do click on it and the buttons that don't. And the buttons that don't are broken. But you see these three buttons? Those are the buttons that click. These two don't. So they're not supposed to click.
Please don't give me copyright just saying black.
Here.
Oh my god, no.
Here, he is gonna break it. So get the hammer.
What? Oh.
Hammer. Really? James is being a butthole. Alright.
Button good views here, Trenton. I'm shooting you in the nuts.
Okay, I guess I can't break it.
That's as good as he could get it, so,
But I got some of that bent. See,
yeah, he got,
that was a little bit bent right there.
that,
Broke
wait.
off.
Wait. Where is it?
If you want me to break it a
he
little
got
bit more,
that piece, off. I don't know if you can see it. Let's set it into James! James!
You want me to break it even more now?
Ow! Is it alright if I throw this ball?
Here, you can take this. I'm not gonna do it anymore. I just want to get a view.
There we go.
I just want to get views
Let
here.
me try to break this piece.
Yeah, wait a second.
Can I try?
Put it in here.
I'm gonna try.
One more time. You can break.
Alright, he's gonna try again. Wait. Alright, go. 3, 2, 1, go. You didn't even hit it.
Yeah, I did. I
Oh.
broke the black pieces off. Can I have it?
Can I see it?
It's James's
Let me see
turn
the
now.
hammer.
It's his
Here, can you
turn.
be my cameraman real quick? Thank you. Let's get down to the ground a little bit here. Okay. Get down to the ground.
He's
a little bit.
gonna
Like this,
break it.
Like this, like
Okay,
Trenton.
so this is James. He's gonna break
Get down to this. Get down. Get down. Okay.
You get three swings. 3 swings.
1,
Gonna break
2,
this.
3.
3 swings. Alright, that's all you get.
Oh, I dented it a lot.
And he dented it a little bit.
Here, James, take your hammer back. Here, here.
Stop.
You.
Stop.
Oh my God. Move. Oh. Alright, I'm working on this side.
So he's hammering it into the ground so people can hit it even better.
There we go. Alright, in chat, let's get a rip fidget cube. Rip fidget cube.
Yep.
Rip for the fidget.
I'm
Rip for the
Trenton's
fidget.
nuts. Nut shot! That was my first nut. That was your first nut shot of the day. No, that was your first nut shot ever. I gotta give everybody knew on my channel my nut shot. I gotta give everybody on my channel my nut shot.
I've been on your channel before. Alright.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Well,
oh, wait, no. Oh my god. Where's the coop? Where's the coop?
Oh, there we go.
Oh my god, I feel
It's so muddy.
oh.
Get the fidget cube. I just threw it at the wall. Oh my god. Oh my god, I found... Oh, that's a rock. Oh, stand back. Oh, I'm trying to hit this rock. I'm trying to throw it up and hit it. Oh! How is this so hard?
Dude, you might want to turn around so you won't get a YouTube video of your, yeah.
No shot. That's how it goes, bro.
Hey!
Nut shot.
No, quit.
Oh.
That's a hammer. Okay. You can't hit it. You can't hit it. You can't hit it. You can't hit it.
He's so close.
You can't hit it. You can't hit it.
He hit it.
You can't hit it.
He hit it.
No!
Guys, do you want me to end the
No, no.
video? Okay. Tell me when. Dude, I don't think this is going to break even more. Just smash it with your foot and both.
Hey, sorry if I throw this in the woods.
Oh, man. Yeah, right there's fine. Except on the run. Wait, oh. I didn't get that.
Both of you turn to your camera. James, are you zooming in? Hurry on.
No, I'm not.
Ow! Nut shot.
You hit me right here. I was joking. I told you to be a blast.
Why'd you say that's payback? You can't do it to us anymore.
No shot.
Alright.
Someone got some shots.
Oh, can I do it to you?
Sure.
Oh, uppercut. James lost it.
Quit, Trenton.
What?
Yes, give it to me.
Open your mouth.
No.
Open your mouth.
Okay. Maybe I should end this. Maybe I should end this.
Oh my god, it's a dead bird.
Get it.
Dead bird.
Oh, let me get it.
Is it really dead?
Let me see.
I'm scared.
I'm
scared.
I got YouTube video of the dead bird.
Rip for a bird.
Dude, you know if they're dead, you can get sick. Rabies.
Oh my. That's the bird's rip. Who wants to go get it?
Who wants to go let's see getting hit by a car? Dude, you know you could get rabies if it's dead.
It's too harmful to make it. Let it rest in peace.
Oh my god.
Do you want me to save the video?
Powered off my tablet.
You want me to save the video?
Did you pause? Did you end it?
No. It's 10 minutes long so far.
Alright, guys, I guess we're gonna end it in a part 2 because I have videos real long, so peace out and fidget on.
Wait.